You can build the new high-speed passenger train. Use the remote control. And hold on! Speed up to pick the passengers up in time. Oh no! The tracks are blocked! You can use the cargo crane to clear the tracks.
The passenger train has arrived on time.
The new LEGO City trains. Each set sold separately. Faceplate's background.
Video Shopping Network. An Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product previews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.